guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. I'm home. I feel good. I'm tired, but I feel good. I'm allowed to do stairs. So let's go downstairs to the shop and check out what's going on. So we're gonna take this really slow. All right, I'll meet you down there. All right, guys and girls, it's been a while since I've been down here, obviously. Been a long time since I've been down here, over almost 2 months. Yeah, I got a mess. My boy's been down here doing some soldering, trying to clean up some stuff. I guess that'll be our next project, is to clean up. We still gotta send this guy out now that we can reach it. So I got the king room back in play, and we're testing out this new AMZ 3D printing filament. It's the PLA white. It's just normal PLA. So we're trying that out. We're also gonna go and finish up. Well, that was just the brown East Sun. So we'll hook this guy up. We gotta get him back. Start it up, take the old filament through because it's been sitting there for a while. I was empty, so I just changed the filament here, which is okay. Actually making a little character for my nephew. You'll see it more later on. It's only at an hour in, so we got lots of time for that. And we got, like I said, a lot of cleanup. We actually have a couple of ones that we're gonna do some reviews on what it looks like. We're just using the straight up. I think just the settings are straight up for Thingiverse. We haven't changed anything, infill or lines of what we need to. We're not doing anything special. Like I said, I'm this first day back. I'm doing this. Very excited, very happy. Glad you guys can see all this stuff. We have an eSun, and we have a filament.ca, and we also have this is called Airy One. I'm really excited to try this one because this is PLA Plus. I think this is their Plus one, and this is actually the Galaxy Purple, which is really neat. It's really nice and purple, and it's supposed to be really smooth, I guess. And then I think those ones are just white and a black or a gray. But yeah, so we still got time for this guy. It's a little character. He's got those support settings. It's running the base. You can see the bottom here. That's the base where it's sitting on its back. It's gonna come up. It's I won't ruin the surprise yet of what it is. We'll see when it's more done. And then again, this guy's been done for a long time. Just got the Harry to paint in better. Yeah. So when we're done that, I guess while we're down here, we might have to do some cleaning. Oh, we got a lot of cleaning. Also, I just gotta wait for my boy to come and clean up his mess. All right, we'll be back. So we're at 33%. See, it's at 33%. We still got quite a bit to do, so I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys that. Hold on. So we did a little bit of an update because this is the first time I'm back. We made a GoFundMe page for what was going on in the situation where I'm at. So basically, I was in the hospital for a month and a week, and then I got sent back again for another week. So I was roughly in the hospital for 2 months, a month and 2 weeks. And, through that whole kerfuffle of what was going on, I was dehydrated. I lost a lot of weight. I was malnourished. So it wasn't a very good scene for me. A lot of depression kicked in. Didn't know where I was, kind of thing, very lost. But, pulled through because, you know what, family, I needed to think of them and myself, of course, first. And all that, so I'm so happy to be back. Now, we did make a GoFundMe page that I will link at the bottom to let you guys see if you guys are wanting to help out. I have the cause of why we're asking for this help. I don't need to explain it here. You could read it, you could share it, that'd be awesome. Share this video would be good. Hopefully I'll have this uploaded, well, we'll say by tonight or tomorrow, because it all depends on when that's done. I'd like to show you guys what it looks like or what I'm doing, and then we're looking at the filament, how easy it is to take the supports off and everything. So we will definitely get onto that. So again, The recap is what happened, why we set up a GoFundMe page, and so on and so forth. And hopefully, you know, as I get better, we can get more into doing our dioramas and all that. We've got things to do. I've got a couple things that have to be painted, get the airbrush out. Got a new, that was my, where are you? That was my homemade airbrush station. For Christmas, my wife bought me a store-bought one, so we'll see how that works. We also have a paint mixer that I want to show you guys. Sort of like, it's for, it's a medical mixer. Some people, you know, I saw some reviews on it going, yeah, you're better off mixing with your hand. I tried it. I like it because it gets the pigments at the bottom out. You can really see it helps, but I'll show you that later when we're doing some painting. All right, so we'll come back when this is done. So out of the printer we have this, and that's a hell of a mess. I've already started to take off some of the pieces. So this is called an abyss or anis or something. I don't know. It's supposed to be like a deer with some sort of evil face and a dead body down there. And there's a half, looks like the head's been chopped off. I don't know if you can see that very well. So, yeah, the difference between this PLA is I found that these supports, they're tough. They're tough to get off. They just, and plus I scaled this down for my nephew so that he can see it. So I'll work on that and then I'll get back to you to show you what it looks like when it's done. All right. All right, so after cleaning up all the supports, there's our would go. There's a little guide did there. Now we shrunk this down. I think it was supposed to be like 80 millimeters, and we shrunk it down to 50 or maybe 60 millimeters. So we shrunk it down quite a bit just to compare it to size, and then I printed it. I primed it. So there was a lot of supports. Hands didn't come out the best. You could see that the face is, well, whatever. Everything else came okay. So once it's painted and then putting some good flocking on the ground part to make it stand out, it looked pretty cool. But we'll tweak it a bit for the next one when he wants one. So yeah. All right, guys, that's it for this. So thanks for watching. And like I said, I'll put the link somewhere in there or in the description for the GoFundMe. Respect the stash. And we will go on to the next one. The GoFundMe, I should say. And yeah, we'll keep on testing out that PLA. Do another one later. It's a little bit hard to go up and down the stairs right now, so like, subscribe, and share, and hopefully we'll be making some more right away. All right, take care.